Darkness. Say hi, Christina.
Hi.
We are in Colorado at the Grizzly Creek Rest Area on I-70 near Glenwood Springs. And at the moment, we are underneath, look at that, that's I-70, right above us. You can almost touch it. Beautiful spot to stop.